If you have an iPhone, you need an AirTag. Here's some examples of where I use my AirTags. I have one on my wallet. This one goes to my keys, and this one is on my Apple TV remote. I used to think these were the stupidest things ever when they came out. But now I have found several uses for them. As I've just explained to you, I have over 10 AirTags on my Find My, and now with the new iOS, I think it was 17, you can share AirTags between people. So you don't have to have, multiple AirTags for different accounts. So this is great. Whenever you know this is not going to prevent you from losing your wallet. It's just something to find it. Keys. You got kids that move around your keys. You can ping them. Same thing here. You got kids. You drop your remote. You don't know where you left it. You carry it around with you, like I do. This is great to have. Just a little case for the Apple TV remote to put your AirTag in. There's a variety of other uses. I have one on my bike. I have one in my bag, in my backpack. I have one in the car. Think about in the car. If someone were to steal your car, maybe you have another means of locating. If you don't have a low jack or you don't have some super newer cars, I think have some GPS stuff that you can find them with. But if you don't, as the average car is 11 years old or whatever it is, you have a way to access and look at the location of the car. In addition to that, you can see where you parked your car. So if you're not sure, like at a big concert or event or the pumpkin patch, now that it's October and you don't remember exactly where, you can pull it up on your phone and you can see a general area of where you parked your car. So that's just some of the few uses that I have thought of that I use my AirTags for. But they're great. I buy them on eBay. You can get them on Amazon down below if you don't want to go through the hassle of going through eBay and finding auctions and make sure you're getting a good price. But that's where I have bought, I think, all 10 of mine, and you get it at a decent discount. And that is some of the uses I have for my AirTags that I found currently. If you have any other uses, let me know. You can also put AirTags on your dog or your animal or something like that. Another useful feature for another useful use for an AirTag, if they run away, or to just kind of keep track of them if you let them out. Maybe you have a big yard or something like that. So, peace.